What if I told you that you could build a profitable freelance business without ever showing your face on camera? Welcome to our channel, where we'll explore how to build a freelance video editing business using faceless tutorials. Video editing and faceless tutorials are one of the fastest growing opportunities online. More creators and businesses need video content than ever before. But not everyone wants to appear on camera. That's where faceless tutorials come in, explain the videos, screen recordings, and voiceover guides. They're in high demand and easy to create with the right tools. Step 1. Master your editing software. CapCut, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve are excellent choices. Focus on transitions, text overlays, captions, and smooth pacing. Step 2. Choose your niche. You could edit tutorials for tech, health, business, or online courses. A focused niche makes you stand out and attract better clients. Step 3. Create sample faceless tutorials. Record your screen, add voiceovers, and edit clean, engaging videos. These become your portfolio to show potential clients. Step 4. Set up freelance profiles. Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are great starting points. Showcase your faceless tutorials as proof of your editing style. Step 5. Package your services. Offer different levels, basic edits, full tutorials, or complete video packages with intros and outros. Clients prefer clear packages with fixed pricing. Step 6. Promote your work. Upload short clips to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Faceless tutorials attract viewers, and viewers turn into clients. Step 7. Deliver quality and consistency. Always meet deadlines and keep communication professional. Happy clients mean repeat work and referrals. Step 8. Scale your business. Hire other editors, create pre-made faceless tutorial packs, or even launch your own course teaching video editing. This turns freelancing into a long-term business. Remember, faceless doesn't mean invisible. It means your skills, creativity, and editing style are what shine. Ready to take your growth to the next level? Visit Transform Academy's website for more blogs by clicking the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.